So here's how you can edit retro photos on the iPhone, and let's get started. If you like this type of tutorials, make sure you stay tuned by subscribing and you never miss anything. So there are some built-in solutions, like you can open up the Photos app and locate the picture that you want to make look retro. You can click on it and tap on edit, which gives you the ability to apply some filters. For example, the dramatic or the warm looking filters might give off the retro vibe. Or you can also adjust the individual things like tint, sharpness, and stuff like that as well. Even though it's not going to be like a huge difference, but you have some built in solutions. To be fair, it is much better to use something like a third party app for it. For example, there is a Cam application which lets you capture your photos with these like retro filters or even apply them later. There are plenty of paid features within that app, so just be ready if you want to use it. But there are also some other apps. For example, the VSCO is a great one for this purpose, as you can import your footage or the photo inside of the app, click on the edit button below, and then just play around with these like filters, which make it look in a various different styles, right? So you can see you can adjust so many other options, and it just makes it look really cool if you play around with it enough. So you can see plenty of options and abilities to just make and apply these filters to make it look a little bit more retro. So that's how it works. You will eventually just find your own style, and you'll be really good at this once you spend some time editing your photos. For now, let me know what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.